Hi, I'm Anita from Needles and Hooks, and welcome to episode 23 of Anita's vlog. If you could be so kind to like, share, subscribe, join the Discord, the link to that is in the description below. Check out my shop too if you so desire. So when I shot Yarn With Me episode 40, I was making a pouch for my work radio. I got as far as a strap and realized it was just way too long. So what I ended up doing, I frogged back 8 rows and tested it with the radio inside the pouch, and I finished it momentarily, like maybe 20 minutes after I finished shooting that episode. So here it is, my work pouch for my work radio, all good and ready to go. It's a little bulky to wear under my shirt, but I'm a housekeeper. I have to bend down and do stuff, and I don't need this flapping around. I also don't need this long old earpiece cord taking up a lot of like space and could get snagged on something and break it, because we signed contracts when we picked them up. And yeah, so basically if it's like you broke it, you bought it, and I'm trying not to do that. So this is done, and I will be using it tomorrow. And I've got all this other stuff on my desk. I still got about, I think I'll go grocery shopping at 2. I have another hour and 15-ish minutes before I need to go run errands. So I'm going to sit, have my AC on, refresh my coffee because it's kind of cold, and veg for a little bit before I decide to go and do that. I've got a bunch of stuff sitting here for the mystery bags that I need to finish. I've got 4 items here. I need 3 more of this, 7 more of one thing, and then 7 more of a final thing. So, getting so close. I'm not going to try to kill myself and have all 7 projects going at once, plus 2 other ones off to the side, or 3 other ones off to the side, or whatnot. I just want to get one section done, get them in the bags, do the next section, get them in the bags, and then do the last one, get them in the bags, seal them, bag them, tag them, put these cute little labels on them, and be done with it. So I'm hoping for that to be done by the end of this week. And once I get those finished, I can get back onto my poor neglected temperature blanket. I still got part of it sitting over here. The knit version for May has not been done. We are already in June 9th. I think I have the second week of June. Yeah, something like that. And it's just not done. I just need to get cranking on that and get it over with and finished. Shoot, do Feature Friday. Start on that, which I might do already, just to get it going, shoot for a little bit, and then do other things. Or I'll do these and shoot that later. I don't know. It just depends on how I'm feeling. I don't want to get into doing that right now, because, well, I don't have so much time before I have to go and get my groceries. I gotta, what do you call it? Get my list together and be done with it and all that fun stuff. Hopefully I'll start getting sales in my shop. I need to do, like I said in the last vlog, I need to do more marketing research. I do not want to pay for marketing because that comes with a whole set of issues. I get so many spam messages from people like, hey, yeah, we can market your stuff. It was hilarious. My other channel is an audio engineering channel, which I have neglected since I started working on this one. But I kept getting this email from some marketing guy. Oh, and it's like, yeah, I can get your business off the ground and blah, blah, blah for only, and like I said, only $1,300 a month. I laughed and I laughed and I laughed. I'm like, that's insane. You can't go and cold email people offering a service and then chucking out a price like that. I'm like, who the bleep can afford $1,300 a month on advertising from an unproven source? I never looked them up, so for me, it's an unproven source, and it was just, that's just insane. Now, I'm an audio engineer. Depending on the track, because some people just they purchase a 2-track and then they do whatever over top of it. Those I would do for like $100, bag and tag, out the door. I do not master. I give you a fake master. You're gonna go and find a mastering engineer on your own. I don't do that. Mastering is a whole other voodoo. Now, if you have a full, like, say, 5-piece band or something like that, and you've got quite a lot of tracks, for me, that would be somewhere between $250 and $500, depending on how many tracks there are and how much work it's going to take for me to get it to sound good. So, yeah. I'm upfront about my stuff. I don't advertise it because, well, I haven't mixed a song in so long. My biggest client is myself, and I haven't even done that in a couple of years, and I need to get back to doing it because I've got all these unfinished tracks of my own that I started, and I'm completely done with DistroKid and Spotify and all that. So I need to research how to sell my music online and not have somebody pass it off as their own. That's like the struggle, and that's terrifying. So I don't know. I just don't know what I don't know. I have to look it up. Anyway, I'm going to stop blathering on right now. I'm going to keep working on this until I need to go get my groceries, and I'll be back in a little while. It is now June 10th, 2025, Tuesday. Yesterday I did manage to get, I can't aim right, my knit temperature blanket. I got March attached to January and February. I just have April I need to put on there. I decided not to do it today because I didn't sleep well last night, and then went to work, and I'm kind of sleepy now, but I do need to start shooting Feature Friday episode 4, which I'm going to do here in a little bit with the yarn that I've chosen. Ha 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 ha. Still not telling you what it is. Anyway, yeah, I'm trying to get some, like, marketing ideas, and my coworkers gave me an idea that I'm gonna, like, implement probably tomorrow. Right now I'm kind of just tired. I'm hoping to get that done quickly. It's not a difficult project, so I'm gonna do that until, like, the light changes. I don't think we're getting any kind of, like, thunderstorms or whatnot right now. There's none in the forecast. There's chance for rain, but not like severe thunderstorms like last week. So I'm gonna sit here until, like, the sun goes down, work on that, and then go back to working on my mystery bags and anything else I can get myself into. So I will see you tomorrow. So it's basically Saturday, June 14th. I didn't vlog for the past couple of days because it's been so dang hot outside. It's been in the upper 80s. I don't even know what temperature it is right now. It says 79, but could have swore it was like, felt like it was close to 90. And we've had these pop-up thunderstorms. I got dark clouds that are out my window going that direction. It's not coming over here. We had some sprinkles, and that was it. So I'm not expecting anything tonight. So I'm going to do, like, a bunch of, like, hopefully some videos. I'm going to do a Yarn With Me episode for next Wednesday, which I need to start keeping up on. I'm going to finish this vlog sometime tonight, I think. Tonight or tomorrow, whichever. I don't know. I got some projects I can be working on. I've got my Yarn With Me right here that I'm going to do because I need to get that done. I am going to probably move stuff off of that table so I can do some overhead stuff, like a tutorial and things for that. But I need, that won't come out this next week. Possibly maybe the following week. I'm not sure yet, but it'll be out soon. Probably just not next week. But I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna shoot another episode of Feature Friday, or at least get it started. I think I'm a week ahead on those right now, thankfully, because this one's, what I'm doing is gonna take a couple of days, possibly 2 days to do, unless I get it all done tonight. I don't know. I'm gonna shoot this yarn with me first, and then I'm going to do Feature Friday, and then I'll take it from there. It is still flipping hot out. It's like probably 80 outside, even though my phone says it's 79 out there. I'm just like, it feels more than that. Air conditioner, I just turned it off. I need to turn it back on because it is so dang hot. And we haven't even gotten to summer yet. It's still technically spring. Yeah. So I'm going to work on that. I'm going to work on stuff. Well, the yarn with me is an item for the shop. The second hat from Feature Friday that came out last Friday. So I knew I can make 2 out of this cake of yarn. So that's what I'm going to do. And then whatever's left over is going to go towards my corner to corner car blanket. That I got 1 panel done. I've started on a 2nd panel, but I need more scrap yarn in order to get that going. And I don't have a lot because I still need to finish. You can't see it. The double knit blanket that's sitting over there. I've got yarn I can work with that has already been put on this last panel. So I have that I can play with for other things. So we'll see. We'll take it by ear, and I'll hopefully see you later on. Oops. Helps if I have the microphone down here. Anyway, that's going to be the end of this vlog. I went ahead and changed my channel name to Crafts by Anita. @ Crafts by Anita -DOTCOM. So it would be @craftsbyanita-.com. So, because I couldn't get just Crafts by Anita. Oh no, couldn't have that. Had the same issue with that on Instagram. So, but at least I got the domain. So anyway, I'm going to end this, and then I'm going to edit it, upload it, ready for Monday, the 16th. And then I'm going to start another vlog right after. So, I want to say hi to all 71 of my subscribers. Hi, how are you? Hope you're doing well. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye-bye for now.